In this application, our sensor-equipped shrunk tool holder, iTENDO² mills wedges of different radial cutting depths with a solid carbide milling cutter diameter 12.
The aim of this test is to document the vibrations that occur at different lateral infeeds. The process can then be optimized on the basis of the values determined.
We have started the automatic recording in the iTENDO² app. Each of the recordings correspond to one of the cuts.
The larger the radial cutting depth in our wedge milling process, the stronger the vibrations, the worse the quality of the workpiece surface.
Using the data generated and recorded by means of the iTENDO² and its app, the optimum parameters of this and similar milling tests can be determined very easily and adjusted for subsequent processes.